In this video, I want to show you how to teach your kid clutch control. What's up, Rad family? I'm Dakota Freeman and welcome to the Rad Adventure Dude channel. Teaching our kids how to ride a dirt bike is actually going to be a pretty difficult thing, as a lot of the times they don't want to listen to us. Let me show you how to teach your kid clutch control. The first thing we want to teach our kids whenever we're learning clutch control is going to be how to use the clutch. When you're teaching them how to use the clutch, show them first. And that way they can see how you're releasing the clutch and applying throttle. Make sure that you're telling your kids not to just pop that clutch out, and that you're telling them to ease it out all the way to that point of motion. As soon as they hit that point of motion, they're then just going to apply a little bit of throttle and continue slowly releasing the clutch until it's completely released. They should never pop the clutch out whenever they first start feeling the bike roll, as this is really going to make an aggressive stall for them when they're learning. So teaching them this at the very beginning is really going to be the most important part of getting them to know how to use the clutch and to have the best clutch control possible. Other ways to teach your kid clutch control is going to be to show them videos of other riders using the clutch properly. So show them a couple of my videos on how to do it, as kids are most likely not going to want to listen to their parents. I know whenever I was a kid, I really struggled with listening to my dad as he would tell me exactly what I needed to do, and I just wouldn't want to listen to him whenever I was out there riding. So he had a secret tip to actually tell one of my friends who was a little older and a better rider and someone that I looked up to tell me the same things my dad was telling me, and this was really important to actually getting me to learn the clutch control properly. You know your kid best, and you know if they want to listen to you or if they're not going to listen to you. And so make sure if they're not going to want to listen to you tell them how to use the clutch, that you find someone that they look up to that they can tell them how to use the clutch properly. And then as you want them to learn more about the clutch, get them to ride using the clutch, as that's going to be the most important part to actually learn the proper techniques. As you tell them so much, it can almost be overbearing, and really all they need to know is just simply how to do it. And at this point, they're going to actually learn how to release the clutch and begin to ride, and this is naturally going to get them better with using their clutch without telling them too many different things and getting their heads all full of a bunch of stuff, as it's going to be very important that they just learn at their own pace and learn with time. Other things that we can teach our kids on how to have proper clutch control is how to shift through the gears properly. When they're shifting up and down through the gears and not just winding out one gear, it's going to be important to them to actually learn clutch control, as they're having to shift up and down through the gears, hearing the RPM level of the dirt bike, and knowing what they need to do whenever the RPMs are at certain points. Dirt biking, especially for kids, is all about experience and seat time. So get them on their bikes, get them practicing these different things, and it's really going to make them much better on their bikes. Don't worry about having the fastest kid out on the track and worry about making them so good that they're going to eventually go pro. Worry about your kids having as much fun as possible, and this is going to keep them in the sport for much longer, and they're actually going to get better over time. They're not going to be constantly worried about what they're doing and everything going on, but as long as they're focused on having fun, the rest is all going to come with time. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you hit that and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. The next thing I want to cover on teaching our kids clutch control is how to teach your kids how to use the clutch in a corner. When we're cornering is going to be the most important time that we use our clutch. You want to make sure that your kid knows if they're coming into a turn that they are using the clutch and shifting down. As they shift down going into this corner, it's actually going to help slow them down as they're using their brakes. And this is going to be very important that when they come out of the corner, that they have the proper acceleration. If they're coming out of corners slowly and they're not able to just have the throttle accelerate immediately, getting your kids to shift down at this point is going to be very important. Because as you shifted down coming into the corner, it's actually going to put you in the correct gear for coming out of the corner as well, and that they have plenty of acceleration on their dirt bikes. If they don't have the proper acceleration still, teach your kid how to just tap the clutch to actually get the RPM level picked up a little bit, and that could be enough to get them more acceleration. So make sure if they're coming into a corner and really wanting to get around it as fast as possible, that they're shifting down coming into the corners, and as they're coming out of the corner, if they don't have the proper RPM level, just tap that clutch. That's going to bring your RPM level up and give you the acceleration they're looking for coming out of that corner. So really work with your kids, especially when learning how to use a clutch. That's going to be the hardest point for a kid when they're learning clutch control. Releasing the clutch and then adding a little bit of throttle simultaneously is going to be very difficult when we're learning. However, just don't let them get frustrated or mad at you, and make sure that they continually practice this, and eventually it's going to become much easier and they're not going to have to struggle with it. And naturally, once they've learned how to use the clutch and they understand that, the rest of this is all going to make sense much more. If they're coming out of a turn, they know exactly how to hit that clutch to get the RPMs where they need it to be. They also need to know how to use the clutch to shift up and down through the gears properly. Make sure that your kid's not slamming through the gears with the gear shifter, and that they're always letting off the throttle and pulling in that clutch, and then making the gear shift with their foot. At that point, they can then just release the clutch because they're already moving. They don't have to worry about this simultaneous motion. And at that point, once the clutch is released, they can get back on the throttle. This is really going to make it better for you, especially as a parent trying to get your kids into riding, because you're not going to have to be working on the clutch as much. You're going to teach them the proper way to use the clutch and their gears in the right order so that it's much better for their transmission. And like I said at the beginning, if you're struggling with getting your kid to listen to you, it's completely normal, and don't get mad at them. Just find somebody that they look up to that's maybe a little older and try to get them to help them with this part of their riding, as this is really the only person that they're going to listen to, especially when they're learning. Rad family, I'm so proud of you for teaching your kid how to ride a dirt bike and get them better using their clutch. It's going to be so important to their riding and as their development as a rider to use their clutch in the proper way, and this will really make them a better rider. If you're looking for more dirt bike riding tips, or you want your kid to have the best riding coach possible, make sure you check out my website where I have a full dirt bike course. This dirt bike course is going to take them from a beginner rider all the way to an advanced rider, mastering the tracks and trails. Buying this course actually gives you me as a personal trainer, and I will personally help your child get to the next level in their riding and become the best rider possible. If this video helped you out, make sure you like this video, drop some comments down below, and ask me any other questions that you have. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's right here and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future dirt bike riding tips. After that, you can watch my next video right here. Stay rad, and I'll see you over there.